Good morning, students. Welcome back to the education class, Secondary Education Commission we were discussing, and we have discussed the first three primary defects, and we have seen that the education which was provided on that time was not connected to the life, what need, what demand, and what was the requirement of from education was not fulfilled. Secondly, obviously, when the needs and demands are not being fulfilled, it is obvious that the life of the students would be a shattered one, and thus it was not helping at all to develop the personality of the individual. Moreover, thirdly, what we have seen that the as there was a education and as there was independence in 1947, the people were terribly, and they have settled. People were terribly worried to change anything, to accept the changes. Okay, they thought that after a long period of time we have received our peace in life, so if we take some further steps, will it hamper our peaceful life, or will it hamper our personal life, or will it hamper our professional life, or we want to stay alike as we are remaining. So any changes they were not accepting. Today we will start with the next point, number 4, stress on English education. See, in all the generations, in year after year, nowadays also, at present, we all like our local language or colloquial language, isn't it? So that time English education was too much stressed, and for that reason, what happened? When English education started, many of the people, they were not experienced. They were means they didn't get any training from any linguist, or they didn't get any proper education from any person, those who know English better. So majority of the students were facing the problem of not understanding what is being taught. Now, if I'm not underestimating anyone. Suppose a student, it will take time to adjust in an English. Suddenly, if a student will come from a Bengali medium background to an English medium background, or maybe from an English medium to a Bengali medium background, anyone is changing. They need time to adjust. So that thing also happened with the student. Secondly, method of teaching failed to develop independence of thought. Now see, nowadays also we are facing problems, though we are creating different things, though we are establishing different things, we are we try to make our life versatile. But that time what happened, the education which was provided, it has put the students in a framework. Okay, and there was less chance of thought of independence. They didn't get time, they didn't get space to think and to do something and to create something. So life was very much mechanical. Finally, next point, less personal interaction. Now see, as there was some this also you can tell it is a part of defect, that there is a less interaction between the teacher and the student. Now see, nowadays in modern days, we are very much we are very close to our teachers. We are very friend to our teachers. Teachers also behave just like a friend, just like a elderly sister or brother, like that, so that you can come up with your problem. But that time the interaction was not so much close, as the students were unable to understand the teacher, what the teacher want to explain. What happened? There was a less interaction between the teacher and the student. Finally, the problem was the life was very much mechanical and stereotype. The fixed curriculum was their examination system started, and that's why the entire teaching process became very boring, and the students, they don't used to enjoy. They were focused mainly on examination and on examination and stereotype curriculum. Means there was fixed curriculum, year after year the same thing is being repeated, and that's why there was a less interaction between the with the life and the life of the student. So these are all about the existing problem or defects of what in the secondary education will suggest. We will see, we have already learned, we are doing this revision video. We will see that what changes and what suggestions and recommendations has been given by Secondary Education Commission. Thank you.